Hey guys, today we'll use this image and create this. Alright, so let's get rid of the background first. Then make a mask. Let's drag this in a new file. New file. Alright, so drag it in the new file. Resize it a little bit. Like that. Then make a new solid color layer so we can fix all the edges. Okay, select the mask of the wolf, press right mouse click, select the mask. Right. Select the mask. And just go around the edges. To get that fur nice and sharp. Like that. Alright, that looks nice already. Press OK. Make a new layer on top of it. Press the right mouse click and create a clipper mask. Then you will select the white color or a little bit gray, something like his fur. Just click somewhere on it and then make it a little bit lighter. Then take a brush, take the soft round general brush, bring the hardness down, the size bigger, something like this, and bring these down and just go around the edge. Next, let's give him some curves. Make sure you press this one, bring it down, and select the mask of the curves and go around the edges with a black brush. Bring these a little bit down, 0, and just brush. Here. Let's make his eyes lighter. Like that. Okay, let's do some dodge and burn. Create a new layer on top of it. Right mouse click. Create clipper mask. Select edit. Oh. Edit. Fill. And choose 50% gray. should bring them down. And then change the blending mode to overlay. And let's see. Blending mode to overlay. And take the dodge tool. Give them something like that. Just a little bit for the eyes. Maybe, let's see, take the burn tool and burn tool. And for the black parts, a little bit black. Like that. Right. Yeah, that's the eyes. Now let's make another layer on top of it. Fill it again with 50% gray. Change the blending mode to overlay again, and let's see. Let's do some dodge. Make some parts lighter. Start off with the highlights. Around 30-40. And brush some areas lighter around him. Let's see. Let's make some shadows. Take the burn tool. Alright, let's import our background layer. Just drag it in the file. Make it big. Let's see how this looks. Maybe something like this. Okay, then let's create some lights. Create a new layer on top of everything. Select some of the sky color, bring it up, just click anywhere and change the blending mode to screen, and just fix it a little bit around him. Right, so create a new layer on top of everything. Let's add some orange. With the blending mode of overlay. To make it look warmer. Somewhere in the sky. Maybe duplicate it and let's add some gradient. Just pick a dark color, maybe dark brown. Something like that. Change it to overlay, I think. Bring it down a little bit. and maybe remove a little bit from the sky. Maybe even less. Okay, I think this looks fine. Alright, that was pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you on the next one.